Thank you for joining me. Today I want to demonstrate changing the turn signal bulb on a Mercedes E350. This is a 2006. What you need is replacement bulbs. They gave this bulb grease, which is supposed to help prevent corrosion and moisture-proof the connection. Not sure. Let's see if we can get in here so you can see what it looked like. It's this top bulb here, and if you are one with large size hands, you'll need to remove some of these bolts. Check on YouTube. There's some other videos with that. What I'm going to show you is, if you get a child, trying to see if you can see it. Here it is here. That's what you're trying to replace. That's the top bulb, and it's also on this side. Top bulb, the connection. And when I turned and I'm facing the front of the car is right there. All I'm going to do is reach my hand in and push the top. It loosens. Pull it out. And there you have it. So if you don't have small hands, get a child, teenager, someone with small hands, and it'll fit right in there. Now what I'm going to do is take the bulb out, add some grease, and reinsert it. The bulb has been taken out. Of course, the owner of the vehicle wants to know if it's really blown. So I'm not sure if you can see it. There's two filaments. And if I turn it, you may be able to see it. When I turn it, you can see that bottom filament is broken slightly on the left hand side. It's blown, it's broken. Okay, I'm going to remove the bulb. It should be a twist, just see a lightly twist action, and it pulled out. Now I'm touching this bulb. It's recommended that you do not touch the bulbs because they will burn out quicker, I'm assuming with the oil from your fingerprints. So I removed that bulb, and the replacement bulb is here. I have it in a paper towel. The replacement bulb for this vehicle is 2357A, as in apple, and I will also place that in the information section at the end of the video. I have opened the grease. I'm never sure where to apply this, so I tend to put a thin film of it on this bottom area around here, and the two nods on the bottom. As usual, when I make a video, everyone at the little airport over here wants to do their flying lessons. Okay, that's a thin coat, keeping it away from the bulb itself. And I'm going to reinsert it. If you notice, there's two metal connections on both sides. You can see it on this side, the outer edge here. There's a metal connection on the inside where they meet. The bulb itself has two pieces that stick out. That's going to go here and align with those two metal pieces on both sides. So we'll put it in, get it to drop in, push it in slightly, the bulb in slightly, and turn. I'm just making sure it's in. And now I will reinsert the bulb. Maneuver and reinsert the bulb. Okay, here we are. I handed the bulb over to myself through this part. I reached here. Now, this has to be seated. You can sit here and turn and turn and turn all day, and it won't be in the right place. And if it's not in the right place, it will not work. Don't force it. Just push the bulb into the opening and just lightly turn it, move it. There, it just seated itself. Sometimes you can feel it, sometimes you can hear it. Once it has seated itself, it will not move. I'm able then to just take my thumb and push the bottom. This is quite easy to do, so it doesn't require a lot. I'm just slightly turning it. You can turn it slightly, excuse me, and then you can finish turning it with your thumb. Come over top and press it to just make sure it's in. It's in. So, could you turn the light on? I'm going to come to the front. And there you see. Turn signal light is done. Thank you for joining me. Until next time.